Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is question answer and this is our revision class. Let us see today's topic. Our today's topic is question and answer from based on our suggestion. This is from A to E number and you have already get your suggestions and today we will do from A to E number and this is our revision class and the lecture number is 19. Our lecture number today is 19 number lecture. Students, we have already finished all topics of our annual term exam. Today this is our revision class. Let us start today's class. You can see here is from A number to E number. And the A number question is daytime. What thing do you see in the sky? That means in daytime, what thing do you see in the sky? Answer is we see sun. We see sun in the sky. Daytime. We see sun in the sky. Daytime. And B number question is nighttime. Nighttime, what things do you see in the sky? Nighttime, what things do you see in the sky? The answer is we see moon. We see moon in the sky nighttime. C number question, when do you sleep? When do you sleep? Answer is we sleep at night. We sleep at night. And here is the D number question. The D number question is when do you go to school? When do you go to school? Answer is we go to school during daytime. We go to school during daytime. And today's last question, E number. E number question is when do you play outside? When do you play outside? Answer is we play outside during daytime. We play outside during daytime. Dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Student, you have to keep practicing these questions and answer at your home. So dear student, I hope you will do this. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.